Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the defrost heater in an Amana refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a 1/4-inch nut driver, side cutters, a pair of needle nose pliers, and a plastic zip tie. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new defrost heater. The defrost heater is located inside the freezer compartment behind the cover panel underneath of the evaporator coils. During the defrost cycle, the heater, energized by the controls, melts the frost off of the evaporator coils, preventing them from freezing over. The failure of the defrost heater will cause the evaporator to freeze over. That, in turn, will cause warmer than normal freezer temperature and a substantial rise in temperature in the fresh food section. If you are experiencing these symptoms, check the defrost heater and replace it if needed. To get to the part, we need to open the freezer door. The defrost heater is located behind this back panel, so we need to take all the shelves out and also the ice bin, unless you like the cold shower raining on your back. So we're going to pull out the ice bin. So I'm going to pop up the right side. And we can remove now the shelf. Same thing here, I'm going to pull it up and remove it. And I'm going to slide out that bin and slide out the bottom one. So we're going to remove this 3 on the top and 2 at the bottom 1/4-inch screws. I'm using a nut driver. Going to lift up on the upper panel and I'm going to take out the rear panel. So I'm not going to use the side cutters, and I'm going to cut this zip tie. So we can remove it. Now these 2 plugs should be disconnected. Pull them apart. Now I'm going to pull this insulation on the left side out. And we can pull the wires down. Our next step would be removing of 2 clips, retainer clips, that holds the old defrost heater. And I use a needle nose pliers, and I'm going to grab the one, lift it up, and pull it off. So I'm going to do the same thing on the left. I'm going to grab that retainer with the pliers, needle nose pliers, lift this thing up, and remove it. I'm going to use the needle nose pliers, and I'm going to bend this bracket open so we can remove the defrost heater. Pull this harness. And this retainer also. Alright. This is the old defrost heater next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, let's bring defrost heater in. And we're going to slide it first into this right side clip. I'm going to push it down with the needle nose pliers. Slide it in. Alright, the clip comes over. Lock it on. And this on. Alright.
And now we're gonna pull this harness up. Pull it through in here. Straighten the fins. Okay. Now we can plug in the harness. It doesn't matter which wire goes into which connector. And we're going to use that zip tie and we're going to attach it. And I'm going to use the side cutters. I'm going to cut off the extra here. So we're going to, using pliers, I'm going to put this bracket back, bend it, okay. Then I'm gonna straighten all the fins and using pliers. And you can use anything you want, not your fingers though. It's very sharp. So I can install this insulation on the side and put it this way. Push it in. And I'm going to turn it. Okay. All right, now we're going to install the rear panel. I'm going to drop it down and then lift this top one, place it underneath. Now we can secure the panel with the 5 1/4-inch screws. So now I can put the bins and the shelves back in. I'm going to start with the bottom one. Slide it in. And then the middle one. And the shelf. Slide the left side in. And push down and lock the right side. And the top shelf. I'm going to angle it. Insert the left side into the holes. And lock down the right side. Before installing the ice bucket in, I would like you to pay attention to the position of these 2 pedals on the coupling and a yoke at the back. So we need to turn it so they won't interfere with each other. I'm going to put it vertical, and now we can slide it in. And now when we're done, we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please
check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.